They've been given these boxes of microbits and they're so excited about them, but they just still don't know what to do with them, how to start with them.
I've come to be able to understand more and to be able to spread that in our school.
It's been a priority of ours to introduce physical computing, into school. So I wanted to see how we can use these.
I had no idea how to use them, so I had to teach myself how to use them, which was not ideal.
We are very conscious that we want to bring microbits into our curriculum. We know that that physical computing is something that children really engage with.
We are doing a microbits data logger activity next week, so we wanted to get the training ready for it.
We got them, we ordered them, they've sat in a cupboard because I literally had no idea how to use them.
Even as a subject lead, I wasn't completely confident with how to use the equipment effectively and how best to introduce it into our curriculum.
To see how quickly you can write a code, send it across, and we've got iPads in schools, so it was so easy as well to be able to link them.
Definitely easy for the children to do, and just that you can make it really fun. Like, I really like the little pet thing that we did.
I was doing it the complicated way, so it really simplified it for me and made it a lot easier. Yeah.
All sorts of uses, to be fair, in the science curriculum, DT, and we'd like to be, particularly in the summer, be doing a lot of outdoor learning.
It was amazing to see how easy they can be integrated into what we're already doing actually.
Looking at how we can differ the coding, so something that's super simple can be used for lower down the school, and then how we can build it up and make it more complicated.
It was also fantastic to see things like the operation game and those different projects that we can see can be brought straight away into school.
Year 6 and Year 5 will then use it like getting outside more, linking it to our geography work, our science work, and working PE as well, like step counters come when we do our athletics.
We're already looking at not just within lessons, but how we can use them for things like the Daily Mile and how the children can sort of like look at data.
We've seen a lot of other activities we think we'd like to suggest to the computing lead to do.
Our next step really as curriculum leaders and as computer leaders go back to school and say, where can we put this in our curriculum?
But looking at the data logging and the more complicated projects, you'd be looking at that kind of thing and giving the opportunity to the children to do those kinds of things really.
But having been here today, I can see how we could also introduce it into lower key stage 2 as well with Year 3 and Year 4.
Teachers loved playing, and I think that's the important thing, that they had time to play and they could work out how that play related back to the curriculum that they're teaching.